Hello everyone! Welcome to Daily English. Today, we'll learn the difference between present and past actions with easy examples. Present means something you do now or regularly. Past means something that already happened. I wake up early every day. I woke up at 6 o'clock yesterday. I sleep 8 hours every night. I slept very well last night. I take my bag to school every day. I took my bag to school yesterday. I make breakfast every morning. I made breakfast for my family yesterday. I read books every evening. I read an interesting book yesterday. Remember, use the present for actions you do now or regularly, and the past for actions that already happened. Great job! Keep practicing English every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson!